Hey guys, welcome back to your base lessons. Today's video I'll be breaking down this cool Ghanaian popular praise. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to really play cool stuff like this, try and watch the video to the end because I'll be adding more stuff to this groove. Okay, let's begin with the breakdown. I've already done the part 1 and the part 2, so if you haven't watch that video, go to my YouTube channel. You'll see the video over there. Click on it and go watch it. Okay, but before you do that, try watching this one before doing that. Okay, the song was played on key D. Okay, the progression of the song goes like this. Okay, that is your and your mi and your la. Now to your re, your so, and your do. Okay, the groove goes like this. To your la. Okay. Okay, the notes are do, ti, so, mi, so, la. Okay, so in case you're grooving, okay, okay, so you can do it that way. Do, so, 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 ti, so, mi, so, la. Okay, ti, so, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, fa, so. Okay, so okay, so it's very easy. Ti, so, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, fa, so, ti, do. Then you can do the so, mi, fa, la, so, so, do. Okay, so you can also do it this way. You see, so there are many ways you can do it. You see, so then your normal so, mi, so, la. You see, okay. So do, re, mi, so, ti, do. Okay, but in the song, this was what I did. You can also do that too. Okay, so in case you don't want to play this one throughout, you can also do that. So you see how cool it is. So it goes like this. Re, mi, so, la, re, fa. Okay, re, mi, so, la, re, fa, re, mi, re, ti, la. Then you continue. Do, re, mi, so, ti, do. So now I am teaching you 3 ways to play it. So da, da, da. And the second one goes like this. Da, da, da. And the third one goes like this. You see? So rehearse with the 3 parts, then you can choose any of your choice you want. Then Charlie, you can go with it. Not only in this song, but in any other song out there. Okay. So now let's look at the Would You Masu. Okay, so that was from the actually from the song. So it goes like this. Would you masu? Okay, and the group goes like this. Okay, so I added so okay, so la, so, fa, re, mi. re re do. Would you so? Okay, so mi fa so ti do. Okay. Okay, so you can also do it this second way. So the first one is the normal one. So la so fa re re do, or so la do la so. Okay, so la do la so. You see? Then mi fa. Okay, re so ti do. Now to your la do. Okay, so it goes like this. So re so di la. Okay, now da 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 re mi fa do la mi la re mi fa la ti so ti do. Okay. Okay. The last part there, a lick was played over there. So let me break it down for you. So we have your so on your so here, you have to slide. So your so and your re. Okay, so like this. So you slide to your so and your re, then you do that. The normal do mass you did over here. You do the same over here. Okay, so la so fa. Then the leg goes like this. Mi re do ti la so fa do. Okay. Okay. If you want to play it, you can play it, but if you don't want to play it, you can just leave it like that. But it goes like this. So la so fa mi re do ti la so fa mi do. Then you continue. Re fa fa re so ti do. So when you end on this, do fa 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 re so ti do, or the way you want to play. So do fa 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 re so ti do, or re fa 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 re so ti do. Okay, then okay, so you do it that way. Re mi re di la mi la. Okay. Re mi re di la mi la. Okay. So re mi re di la mi la. Re ti do mi fa. So la do re. La re so ti do. Okay, so try and rehearse with every aspect. You can do do la. Okay, so do la. So re mi so mi re la re so ti do. So I think this is what I have for you today. So try and rehearse with all the bass line and know the progression. You can also apply some of this progression out there. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.